Tapos ito na po yung isa na nagawa na talagang ang ganda-ganda po. Mamaya papakita kung paano po talaga siya paikot-ikutin ulit. Ayun na siya, pinaikot-ikot na. Yung mantika lang pala. So here are the main ingredients. We have the pork belly, we have the shrimp, cabbage, okay? And we have to boil first the shrimp and the more pork meat together. And while doing that, we have to prepare for the mixture, which consists of the rice flour with 3 eggs, with water of course to mix it, and with that food coloring. Okay, that's the food coloring color orange. And then also we have this pork to be added together with the shrimp. So we have to mix it well, the mixture. As you can see that, the black one there, that's the fish sauce that we already prepared. Okay, with lime juice, with sugar, with fish sauce of course, and with chili. Okay, so we have to prepare also for the cabbage there. We have to cut it very fine. Okay, so very well mix it. So here we go. So add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, then round it like that and put the mixture together. But before that, you have to fry first the pork and the shrimp. Okay, before pouring 1 cup of the mixture. Okay, and then put on top the shredded cabbage. Okay, so that's it. As I said before, we have just to put 1 cup of that mixture, and with this first together, the 3 main ingredients, and just put 1 of this size. Okay guys, and then after that we have to put a lid on top in this olive oil, as I said before. Remember guys, just this kind of oil we have to put it, olive oil, aceite de oliva in Spanish. So here we go. So here's the outcome with the fish sauce and lime juice. Okay, it's very delicious guys. You can try it by yourself. Okay, with that sauce that we made with the chili sauce, you can see it, it's very crispy. Okay, it's not really totally well done for the first one because of the pan that we used was not good. And here's the perfect one. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Try it by yourself please.